It's a large piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from the Winton area. Rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there at the top, for example, is a reflection of the lights. It's got bars of purple through here and here and through the centre to a lesser degree. Purple's getting picked up there a little bit by the camera. And when the light's not reflecting, there you go. Needs the face polishing a bit. It's a little bit undulating. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.